side is a Walther P22. It's a copy of the P99. Little tiny gun that has a special thread adapter to Gemtech. That's sounds that people make, and Gemtech Outback. It's a 2.5 ounce can that is real quiet. And I've loaded the magazines alternating super and subsonic. So you'll be able to hear, when you hear the crack, you'll hear supersonic, and the quiet air will be subsonic. And this should be a pretty good environment to do it, because we don't have any really flat. Our first round is subsonic. Ready? All right, subsonic.
Cheeky.
No, there we go. Supersonic. Do you guys hear the difference? There's a slight crack.
No.
Subway's problem solved.
Pellet gun. Pellet gun's louder than that. That's super.
So you can hear the ricochet, right? No.
My idea.
That's it. Okay, you guys heard the crack, right?
Yeah.
Hey, look, Mr. Squirrel, I think you need to go away. That was Sonic and this. Damn.
All I heard was a trigger. That's the piece to it.
It's awesome. And this thing will hold nice for 100 yards.
Yeah. Right on. Yeah, I'm working on it. I got that on here really well. Taps. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Lights going hot.
All right.
Don't aim, just shoot a rock.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Now we're gears off.
That's
No suppressor. Now go ahead and put your can on. Done. Next round is standard. It's the same round, suppressed, no ears required. So hear a crack. Okay? Okay. Next round is subsonic. This is fun.